Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a McCulloch Super Pro 125, 125cc, vintage from the late 70s. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features it has. It's got a 30-inch bar and chain. And the kill switch is right here. It's got a manual override right here. It does have an automatic oiler too. And the choke is on the right side here. Right here. Just a great running saw. There's nothing like these when these are running good. Wrap handlebars. And I've had the muffler off. I've looked inside. It's very clean inside. Very nice saw. We won't be cutting with it. It's just too nice a shape.